Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you some easy watercoloring with the Sunprint suite. Here's my second card using the Sunprint suite, and we're going to do a little bit of easy peasy watercoloring. So we're going to start with some shimmery white paper, 3 7/8 by 5 1/8. And I'm just going to use a little bit of scrap paper just in case. And we're going to use the Starry Sky ink and the lovely stamp here. And we're going to stamp off because I want a lighter color. And then I'm just going to do a little bit of masking here. So I'm just going to add this right here. And then I'm gonna stamp another one over here because it'll still be nice and light. And then I'll stamp again. And we'll do one over this way. Right, so now I'm just going to add some water. I think I'm going to use the smaller one. And I'm just going to use the ink that's already there to color in these leaves. Okay, there we go. It's so pretty. You can go back and color some more if you want to. There's plenty of ink there. Now I'm just gonna add a strip of the Designer Series paper across here to kind of hide the middle. And then I can just trim that off. And then we will add this to a piece of Starry Sky that's 4 by 5 1/4. And then I like to add dimensionals to the back. And then I'm just placing this on a Whisper White thick card base. All right, so now I've already stamped this little piece right here. So I'm just gonna adhere this one down flat. And then I've already stamped and then did the same technique watercoloring. Oh, it looks like I missed a little one right there. Let me fill that one in. And cut out just the flower part. And so I'm gonna put these on dimensionals. And so I'll add the flowers over here. And then for the sentiment, I have embossed on Starry Sky. And while that dries a little bit, I am going to add some of these super fun in colored matte decorative dots. So it comes in all the in colors and it goes darkest to lightest. So super fun. So I'm gonna add one of these lighter ones. So I'll do one down here. Did I get the adhesive with that? Yes. And then we'll do 2 up here. Super duper cute. Okay, and then now I'm just going to fussy cut this sentiment out. And there is our watercolored card. Super pretty. So I'm offering a free card kit when you purchase the bundle or place a $40 order using my current host code. And if you order this week by May 14th, I'm going to include a bonus project with the wreath. Thank you so much for watching my video tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, I'd really appreciate if you would like and comment on this video, as well as subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I go live or post a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.